everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. It is night time. It's like 8:51 right now. I just finished rinsing off my deep conditioner in the shower this time. I didn't do it outside of the shower. And then I put my hair into this two flat twist. Okay, today I'm gonna test out a product. So I was roaming around Burlington. You know, you're going and you went there for clothes, you went there for a gift, you know, some gift or something, and you wander into that beauty supply section in Burlington. I think TJ Maxx and Marshalls also have the same thing. And this jumped into my hand, literally jumped into my hand. I'll show you. This is called the Sleep Styler, and I found it for $5.99. See the price? $5.99 at Burlington. So the instruction for using this is said is so easy to use. Instruction number 1, wash. So take a relaxing shower at night, wash and condition your hair as you normally do. Then divide damp hair into sections and wrap each section of hair around the plush rollers. Okay, let's use this. So it has Velcro in it, and what you just do is you just unwind it like this. Take it and then just roll the hair, and I think the more I do this, the better it will be. So it's a struggle, you know. I don't do a lot of roller sets. So take it and make sure it's tight. And then once you've rolled your hair like this, okay, then you want to take this string and roll it the opposite way. So I'm just taking the string and rolling that the opposite way. This is too much work, but if it will give me a good night's rest, I will do it. Okay, now I have to be very careful about the Velcro because I don't want the Velcro to Velcro my hair. I think that was my number one worry, that it will Velcro my hair. So I'm clipping the Velcro onto the sponge itself, and this is what it looks like. Did I get it? No, I don't like this. Do you guys see my frustration? Oh my gosh, whoever thought that this was a brilliant idea? Well, Shark Tank did. The lady from Shark Tank did. Well, Velcro and hair, I don't know. Velcro and hair doesn't go together. Let me show you how much hair I lost from this. See this? This is how much hair I lose a week in shedding. So the Velcro kept on sticking with my hair, and then when I was trying to use it with another piece, you know, just use it alone, it kept on sticking with that hair. And I even tried to do it the opposite way. It didn't work, and this is the mess we have here. I'm gonna go to sleep now because I've been battling with this for over 45 minutes. 45 minutes to put on 8 rollers. No bueno. No, that won't work. And I don't know, I prefer Flexi Rods, but let's go to bed because I don't know, I don't want to take it out. But we're gonna go to bed, we're gonna give it a good try, we're gonna try sleeping in it, and I hope I sleep, because if I don't sleep I'll be quite mad. Good morning everyone. It is early, too early in the morning, 5:50 a.m. Did I sleep well? No, I did not sleep well. I was tossing and turning, and it felt as if I was sleeping on so many towels, so many easy towels, pillows.
I didn't sleep on too. People, it's like this stuff just poking me. I felt like I was fighting someone.
You're fighting someone at night. I feel so sorry because when I woke up and he was saying, oh, he didn't sleep, I was like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm testing out this stuff. And even the back, he was telling me that the back came loose.
Yeah, you can tell it's almost falling off.
It's almost falling off. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Let me see. Can you help me? Yeah, it's gonna help me take off some of this. So let's position ourselves and we'll see if it works. So
let me see.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So try and take it off.
No, let me start from the back and see.
See, if we're looking for curls. Remember, we're looking for curls.
See, it looks like what those boxers wear.
Oh, the
you know, if you're going into a boxing ring.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's supposed to give me curls. Ah, is this curls? This is not curls. Oh my gosh. So some people were saying that the way I put it, they said it was wrong. That I should start, the Velcro part should be at the bottom. And so what I did was that I changed the stop it. I changed the Velcro part for this one, and I made it so that the Velcro part was at the bottom.
Why put Velcro? Sorry, why put Velcro here?
That's what I was saying. No, I was saying, who mixes Velcro and hair? Yeah, I mean, it's a no-no, but anyway. So yeah, this is what it came out, and some people are saying comb your hair, brush it with a paddle brush. I did that for this one. I redid this one, okay, and I did it. So this Velcro part was supposed to be at bottom. So this is the one with the brush and stuff. So let's see, maybe that one came out better. Oh, see, that one came out better. See, that's not too bad. See, so overall, this part was the only one that did good. The curls are kind of chunky curls, so I'm gonna try it again. Will I go and buy the mini? Will I tell you guys to go and buy it? It's up to you. You can buy it if you want to, experiment. So my hair is still wet, so I shouldn't have put so much mousse in it, but this is the result of it. The back, I don't know if you guys want to see the back. The back is not good at all. This is the back, and this is the result. It's kind of cute. I like the front. The front came out better than the other side, and this was the side that was combed out and styled well, so I kind of like it. It's not bad. But if you guys want to try this out, give it a try. I bought mine from Burlington, but I know you can get it online. I'm gonna put our Amazon store where you can get it down in the description area, and if you guys want to test it out, be my guest. I hope you get better results than I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.